I swear this quick tip makes all the difference when you're trying to achieve that messy beach wave look. So I'm gonna break it down really quick for you. Sectioning, I do think that makes a big difference. It makes it easier to tackle and less intimidating, especially when you're trying to practice a new technique that you're not used to. So this piece is the key piece. This little piece right above your ear, you want to smooth it out. You can brush it if you need to. Take your iron, I'm using an 1.25" iron, and curl it going towards your face. So see, I wrap it, I unravel, and I drag. So curling this piece towards your face, and then everything else away, top section away. And then I'll show you, so this piece, one more time to break it down, because this is what I get asked about the most. You wrap it, unravel it, and drag. I hope a little breakdown makes a big difference when you practice this at home. Okay, so my hair is completely curled. Then what I do is I take my hairspray, I do a light mist. I mist it with hairspray before I finger through it. Then that way that gives the curl a chance to cool. So then I finger through it, and it has already a little hold from the hairspray. And I kind of use my fingers to shape how I want the front to look. And then one more quick tip, when you use your texture spray, love this stuff, shoot it upward. It's gonna make it messier. If you don't want it messy, then just shoot it like that to give it a little bit of texture. But if you wanna add more of a messy look, spray it like that. There you go.